Speak loudly.
You have money? You don't have a money and you said that you're using the electronic media?
Yeah.
Electronic media not coming the bigger there. It's of 15,000. You using the laptop. Can you tell me how much is it? Yeah, you borrowing something. No, because electronic media easily person can't buy with the Pakistani. That's why I say the printing media is most affordable to everyone and we said that the printing media is best.
You have a mobile phone?
No, I don't have a mobile phone.
In your bag?
No, I don't have a phone. I don't have a bag there.
What is this? Electronic media. Everyone have electronic media in their hand.
Okay, what is
Electronic media.
okay, so points. What's the advantage?
This is electronic media we can use for anything. Any news forward anywhere.
Okay.
Any
Like
important
typing SMS.
topic. Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Yeah, you sir.
How many people are English in Pakistan?
How many people?
Now English in
Knowing
Sir, you want to ask that how many pupils know English very well in Pakistan?
Yeah. How many people are knowing English? Yeah, want to say. Yes, sir.
No one knows English in Pakistan, but every Jamadar have mobile phone. Why?
Any sweeper have mobile?
Low
They don't
to
know.
low person have a mobile phone.
Low to low person have mobile. Yeah, you know.
Because Ms. Aksha, print media is more important and great, precious like us. That's why Jamadar don't want to do the keep in her pocket. And I just want to say that Ms. Aksha, phone is everywhere. Phone, I know very well the meaning of mobile. Mobile phone making the using of pupils in a urgently in a very way. But now the mobile phone is far to working, far to studying and far to everything. That's called we say that it's just a time wasted.
Mobile just time wasting.
Miss Alina, the cash, the physical money is not very secure. That's why I use plastic money. The plastic money is not very, the plastic money, like print media, that comes from print media. The print media transit from the ATM machine and a debit machine. That's why it is used as an electronic machine. And I have a book and it encompasses lots of things and lots of book as well.
What?
That is a book. And all sorts of books. It's a radar book. The telecommunication book.
Yeah, explain it more.
Yes. So it's a radar book which encompasses all sorts of topics.
There are 5 books.
Yeah, there are 5 books.
Okay.
I have foreign writers, but I don't want to have in my pocket, but I kept in my laptop.
That's the advantage of electronic media.
No,
You want to
yeah,
say?
this is advantage.
Yeah, you want to say? Yes. Yeah, Miss Alina.
Do you have any questions?
Yeah, you may speak. Yeah, sir.
Mr. Fawad, firstly,
Speak loudly
explain it to very easy way. You know what? Printing media is too good. I have a two things. Please pick a one. I have a two things. Say to him that pick a one.
Pick one. Yeah.
Enjoy the presentation. I don't pick any.
You
Because
don't need to pick it anyone. Yeah.
I say for the
Because I know
because
very well,
electronic.
because I know very well the print media comes from electronic media. That's why.
He is accepting that print media.
What is it?
Sir, he accepting that print media come in, not electronic media coming by the way of print media, and you don't picking because it's also the print media. It's also the print media. If you choose it, then I say the print media is bad. And if you use it, if you choose it, I say that print media is bad because it's a paper, and you choose it, I say that it's card and it's also the print media. But you don't choose it because electronic media is nothing, and electronic media person don't have a proof to prove it is. Thank you so much.
Now, I need just two partners from that side and two from that side. Yeah.
Sir, see this picture?
Yeah.
Where this pictures come from? You write this picture, you draw this picture.
Okay, step again.
It's show that the print media is better than the electronic media is better than the print media because it's come from electronic media.
Picture is come from
Electronic media capture the picture by means of electronic media.
Okay. Clap for her. Now, two person from here and two from here. Come on. Who want to come from that side? One by one. Who want to come first? Yeah. 1, 2, 5, 10, 11. Yeah. Start.
Print media is best.
Speak loudly.
Print media is our present, our past, our future. What is electronic media?
In anywhere bomb blast take place, that we get by news, electronic media, and print media, not a current news provide us.
We watch electronic media, we are confused. What's going on? Some channels say 3 inch and 10 that, but some channels say 10 inch and 20 that. So we are confused. What's going
My
on?
dear, as you know, in Karachi, target killing is too much, and electronic media provide this to save your life. Speak loudly.
This is merit certificate.
Yeah.
With our merit certificate, people ask some proof.
Yeah. Without NIC and
It means that print media is important, not
electronic media is that important. Electronic media is important.
Print media is important.
In Pakistan, 80%. In Pakistan, 80% electronic media have stopped. Thank you very much. Clap for that. Now from that side. Who want to go? Who want? Yeah, only. You want to? As you read. Stand. Yeah, what? Yeah, Sam.
Start, section is starting.
Electronic media is better than print media because if you get any books, the past 1992 newspaper, you find out the newspaper, you spend lots of time. But the print media, the electronic media, because of electronic media, you get in a second, in a jiffy.
Every person know that in the era, we keeping the mobile in our pocket, the person come and say that, give me your mobile. If we are keeping the newspaper, no one can come to give me your paper for only the news.
pocket. You say money
I
is safe.
just want, without money,
Money
I
safe.
am nothing, you are nothing, they are nothing. Without
Money
money,
safe.
everybody is nothing.
The electronic card, ATM card. The ATM card is safe.
With ATM card, you put in the
10,
ATM card,
9,
put in the
8.
slip also. Without the slip, you have nothing because the paper
3,
need all
No,
this
never
time
slip.
for
1,
electronic
S,
Slip is
media.
just for slip is just for our
Stop.
certification.
Thank you very much. Clap for them. Now that's time for Ida. Ida. Who want to come? Fourth or third? Third part. From here, third part. Yeah. She's a fourth part. She's third. Okay, come on.
Assalamu alaikum guys, ladies and gentlemen. I am WSB Child Sailor. Today I am here for selling of weapons. What is weapons? Gun? Bomb? No, I am selling the weapons of student. This is pen, not normal, it is precious like a bus. Child pen, child also not studying. Every time playing, every time. If we have a child pen, it has a lots of qualities. In it is stamp, in it light, and you use it then. When the plug of Leica as a torch, it's mean it's good. It's only for you 20 rupees. If you order now, I give you 5 rupees discount. Don't waste time, buy it. Call now, order now. Double entry number shown on your screen. Thank you.
Now from that side. Yeah, you may
As
start.
far as my topic, electronic media, I have an electronic product. I'll show you. Do you think what is this? This is an cell phone. It is used for detective. You put everywhere and call, and you can hear the voice. It consists of 3. You can hear the Vaja voice. Vaja cannot accept the call. It is accepted already.
I can speak. Hello. What's going on? Hello.
Its cost is only of 100 rupees. That's all.
Now that's time to exchange your products. Yeah. Welcome once again. Now that's time to the leaders Ida. Before them Ida, I want to call our magic man. We found him very precious place. Now also clap for our magic man. Smart, good looking. Our builder, Mr. Karachi Sardar Simoli. Sir, Assalamu alaikum. Here earlier, we found by magic. You are not here.
What's work for you for here?
Thursday, all the best. Next time. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Anyway, guys,
Well, they have flavors and guys out here.
Where's the product? That product. That product. You have just two. You have just 1 minute to start. Okay, you go there. Stand here. Let's see that. We'll do it here. Let's say it out. The fourth partner done very good job. Now I'm gonna call here, Madam Alina Batul. Have a big hand for her. Come on, over here. Shots to her. How are you? Start.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm standing here for saying something. I have a cigarette. It's not a simple cigarette. I have flavors of cigarette. It's a WLP cigarette. No. I said no disadvantages of this cigarette. It's a well-known chocolate flavor, strawberry flavor, vanilla flavor, whatever you want flavor. I have in the WLP available this flavor. It's like shisha. Shisha is a very big thing, but you doesn't keep in your pocket. But this is a very good thing. You use this thing, you cannot, because of this, you have no problem of gas. That's why I'm selling this. It's just only 5 rupees. If you want to purchase it, call the WLP number. Thank you.
Now guys, you've all done a great job here right now. Let's ask the reason of jury. Jury coming. What about them? Sir, how are they playing?
Firstly, I want to say thanks to Mr. William Ali from Mali Saudi Arabia. He gave me a great chance. And now to come here and playing debate. The debate was played not good, just average, average. And I really appreciate this side, the rule of the name is Lisa. He played well and really appreciable. And this side,
Good with up.
on this side, over and few of them look like leader, Mr. Butter. Yeah. Seems that the leader of this team. Seems that.
Performance good.
They played well. That's what we do.
Good.
Thank you.
I would like to thank Saraswati and Sakashali and Air Raja to make me able to sit over here. And debate, you guys did very well. The topic, very
print media, term is electronic media. What is print media? What is electronic media? We know very well about now. Nothing is this. You are letting us and may the bless you to the next time. Thank you.
Great job here. Now guys, it's the time, and you know that. The ball played. Guys, as you know, there is a third debate. Third debate means this very dangerous debate for you guys. If you will win, whoever will win, he will carry you for next debate. If you lose, then it means it's knockout. Then you should practice for speech. Then the speech contest will start between the loser team. Like I'm saying there, we have 16 teams. 16 will come for the debate and 8 will select it and 8 will knock out. Who are the guys knock out? They will play speech contest. From there, 4 coming up, then 2 coming up, then 1 coming up, then he is a winner. Similar here as speech contest as debate is here. Now they will appeal for vote. Who is your favorite team? You can vote them easily. They will take procedure how to vote them. Thank you very much. That's all. Assalamualaikum guys, and they are the team who are the playing here. If you think that they are the winner, look the faces, look the face, the innocent face here, look the face here. If you want to make them win, then you can easily vote them. You know the procedure of voting, how can you vote them? And they will say, how can you vote? Would you like to tell how to vote? You want to say, sir?
If you want to vote for us, go to Facebook, search and type Wasim space learning space point space voting and vote for us.
Now they are in critical condition ICU room. If you will vote them, they can up. Otherwise they will go down. It's laughing but it's not real laugh. Inner side she is tantalizing. Heart is pumping, rumping, jumping and trembling here. Let's see it out. They will get the vote or not. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum guys, and this is the precious team. As you know that the both team played fantastic. Now it's up to you. Who will make the win? This team or that team? Now look the innocent baby. Let